Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel. Ever wondered what was in these pipes? It is the Viper. Let's get you in close. The Viper flexible muffler pipe for the 80cc and 60cc bike gas engine. That's what it's called, the Viper flexible muffler pipe. Well, we're going to open it up and see what's in it. Let's take a look. So I got this in the mail. I'm experimenting to find out what kind of pipe works the best on my 49cc CAG two-stroke motor. And as you can see, you can't see it, I cut the end off. See, I cut the end off. It's a corrugated. What's on the inside is a corrugated flexible pipe. Now, you bend this and it's only going to bend a couple of times, but if you can see down inside, let me get you some good light down in there. If you can see down inside, that is corrugated down in there. Let me get you even more light down in there. You see how it's corrugated down in there? So that corrugation, right, it's only going to tend to bend a couple of times and not very sharp, but pretty sharp. But it's also, to my mind, the exhaust gases are going to have to ride through all of that corrugation, through the whole pipe. Now I cut the end off. Here's the end, because to fit the 49cc, I had to embiggen these holes. I had to bring these holes closer to the end. I cleaned up the inlet there just a little bit. And to get the bolts to fit, I had to grind away just a little bit of that. Let me get you brighter. Had to grind away a little bit of this weld so that right in there and right in there, so the bolt flange would come up against here, and this would fit on my 49cc CAG motor. It is actually designed for the 80cc two-stroke. So that is the end. And let's take a look and see what's on the inside. The inside, it's actually raining really hard outside, so if you hear all that noise, so just a second. Once we get the welds cut off, we will get this cap off. And to get that cap off, boom, we get that cap off. So that's all the cap is, just a cheapo cap. Then we are going to see what's in here. And to do that, it's we'll cut those. I've already pre-cut them. Just need to finish it off. And that is all that's on the inside. So that's just the cap that goes on the end. Now, let's see what's in there. Let's see what's in there. What? Oh, nothing is in there. Except for a bad weld that's actually covering up about 1/8 of the hole. So you're not going to get really good airflow in that pipe with that big old glob of slag covering part of the hole. That's just bad quality. And to tell you the truth, when I cut this off, the slag where this connected to this down here, right? The slag was so bad, it was covering about a quarter of the hole. So I had to take a reamer and go in there and ream that out because it was just terrible. So that's what's inside your flexible two-stroke 80cc bike motor exhaust pipe. Ciao.